In this video, we'll be focusing on how to set up a project template. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the settings area, which you'll find located at the top right corner of your screen. If you hover over the wheel icon, you'll see it'll say settings. Click into here and you'll be in the settings area. Now, if you scroll down until you get to the option where it says customize, you'll notice a section that says project templates. Click into that. Now, once you're in here, you should see some of your project templates. Here we've got a few examples. And to create a new project template, simply click on the Add button, which will pop up your Create Project template. Okay, from here, we can give the project template a name. We can say this one is, for example, a fit-off. Let's call this a installation template. Okay. Then we can start adding and defining our project. So the first thing you'll need to do is click on this little plus button over here, which will pop up your first task. And the first task we want to set up in this example is we want to have a deposit. We can give it a description as well. So in this case, I'll say deposit required. And this is not going to be a task. I'm going to select the section type. This is going to be a milestone. Okay, and the payment milestone over here is going to be 30% of the job's value. Okay, and that's going to be due straight away. So we'll click save, and we can see now we've got our milestone. I can then go and add a new task. So I'm going to call this fit off. And of course, I'm going to leave it as a task. I'm going to say priority is normal, and I can specify any one of my different skills that are required for this specific task. Okay, and this comes into play when we're scheduling the job, and we want to see only our staff that have those specific skills. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to go and leave it as that, and I'm going to specify that this task will take 3 days, and click save. Now I can go and define that task, and I can go and define the critical path of that task as well. And I can continue building my different tasks. So the next one could be, I'm just going to go ahead and call this task C, and I'm going to give this 1 day, and this one might need electrical skills, and I'll go and save that. And of course, this one over here can either be done at the same time as the previous task, or again, I can define when this task needs to be done. Okay, and of course you can continue building out your template from there. And once you're finished, simply click the save button. Your total payment, okay, there we go. So there's the first alert. So I've given a milestone of 30%. So it's telling me now that I should have payment milestones that add up to 100%. So again, go and click and give this another payment milestone. So I'm going to call this outstanding amounts, and I'm going to specify a milestone, and I'm going to give this a 70%. So Field Magic is telling me that I've made a mistake. I've left out something that still needs to be completed before I can save my template, which is a good alert as well there. So now we've got our beginning milestone of 30%, and we've got our final milestone. And so this will allow me to save that now because we've got 100% there. And of course, now we've got the installation template, which has now been saved. So now when you go into your jobs and you go and create a job and you create a project job, all of your different milestones, all of your different templates will be visible when you go and create those jobs, and allow you to save time by pre-populating all of these specific tasks that you need for those jobs. Okay? That concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching.